It's very dark out here for a storm. It's raining. It's very dark right here. Over there, it's dark. Check out. They're doing fireworks too. Pretty crazy storm on the 4th of July. You see a difference? It's dark right here, and it's light right here. Dark. It's like it's only like 7 o'clock right now. The sun doesn't set till like 9 o'clock, but it is very dark out here. So I don't know. I didn't see this till now. I wasn't looking at the weather or lightning. It felt like it was getting nighttime. Then that's when I realized the notification on the phone said lightning detected. I looked out. I was like, wait a minute, it's dark. And that's only 7 o'clock. I was like, oh yeah, I already knew something was up. Oh wow. Might be a windstorm here. Oh wow. Might have a little wind going on over here. Pretty dramatic wind. Oh shit. Oh, this gonna be a good one. This might be a real deal. It's gone very cold out here. Look at this fog going. You can see that whole haze right there. It is so dark out here. Holy sh! Man, these trees are swinging. Let me turn my brightness up real quick. Look at this. Check out the trees. Trees are blowing nuts out here. Not really, but you see them moving pretty fast. Visibility down there 2 miles now, 1 mile now. Almost can't really see. Can't really see down there much besides that car light. My whole entire legs are wet. This is very, very dark. Street light. Oh my God, this rain. Okay, I'm about to go in my room. I mean, step inside soon because it's gonna get pretty bad here in a minute. I'm hearing something war very hard in the background. I'll be honest with that though. I think it's about to get real bad soon. Cause I'm hearing something war very hard in the background. And it's not this rain, it's in the background. I hear something strong rolling. Like we might be getting super strong winds in the background, or it might be coming away right now. There is no lightning at all. That's like it's always one of them like bad storms. Oh, never mind. Now it's lightning. Seen that type of lightning? I say it's a dark sky. It's very dark. Oh shit! The core is right here. Look at this. That's the core. The core is right here. I see more rain this way. This is coming our way. Okay. We haven't got a storm from the south in a minute. Dark over here. Oh, yeah, it's lightning more this way now. seeing lightning this way. Might put the camera this way now. Hoping we'll lose power. It is so dark. Let me fix the brightness. Look at that lightning. Very frequent lightning. Pretty dark. Look how dark it is over. Oh my god, it's so dark over here. Wow. So is this the quote I'm hearing, like warring super hard or something? Like I'm hearing things. I'm still hearing stuff war loud still. Yeah, I hear rain blowing on me now. Oh my god, it is dark right. Wow, it's like it is dark right here. And looks like I got the wrap around the fireworks over there. Wow. They had to wrap it up. It was doing fireworks right across the street, but I guess the rain kind of like stopped them from doing it. It is very cold out here. It's like the temperature just dropped down to like 50 degrees here from like 90. Yeah, it's dark as hell over there. I don't know why, but like some reason it's like light here, but over there it's just like full on dark. It's like it looks like the sun set it over there. It's dark as hell over there. You know, over here. So I'm like over there, they're getting it bad down there. I could just tell. It's extremely dark. I haven't got this dark in a while. Wow. There's gonna be a lot of lightning. Oh, what's that behind this tree? I'm seeing another core develop over there. It looks like another line of storms. Man, that's moving fast as hell. Oh. What's a little green Doing chunk. See how dark it is, chunk? That's it. It's dark out here. I should bring a chair, you know. You have to sit down there instead of having to sit on the ground. Oh look, the trees are blowing again. The wind is going strong again. Oh my god, it just got so dark out here. It just got very dark. Wow. It just got dark out here. Wow, look how dark it got out here. There's the floor right there. Wow, that's amazing. It almost looks like it's green out here. General question. It almost looks green out here. Bad news. Wow. Frequent lightning. I still hear fireworks. Very close. Oh, it's cold. This is extremely dark. Oh my. What time is it? 8? Wow, 8:26. Sun doesn't set till like another hour. And it's already dinner at nighttime out here. Very intense. Barely any lightning. Well, there's a lot of lightning over here, but yeah. There's a lot of lightning going on here. There's almost here. Oh, there's almost here. Oh shit. It's gone out down here. Oh. Rain came down again. Oh, it's cold. Alright, I think I'm gonna go for part 2.